Yeah. Are we making food, Carter? Go put it in your pot. Go cook it. Go cook it. He got that out of there, and then the pot out of there, and now he's getting food out. He's helping me cook. That's a good boy. Good baby. Oh, there's no food in there, baby. There's no food in there. Hey, look. There's no food in there. Sweet baby. I love you. My baby's 18 months. Here, give Mom a kiss. Give me a hug. Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? No? Oh, you're really cooking now. Oh, gosh. You're really cooking. Good job. Yeah. That's all you. Good job. Oh, no. High five. High five. Can I have a high five? No? Uh-oh. We'll pick it up. Uh-oh. Where's your tummy? Mwah.